Hey everybody, it's Nancy Ann. Welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. Today I'm going to do a really weird unboxing. This is Vitacost.com. Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are returning. I really appreciate you being here. We're doing something a little bit different today. Well, it's a lot of bit different in terms of what I'm unboxing, but my husband is holding the camera so you guys can get a good look. And this is nothing to do with fashion. It's actually, I place an order with Vitacost every single month, at least once. And I don't know if you've heard of it before, but this is a company I would be happy to hear about if I didn't already know about it. I actually started ordering from them back in my heavy bodybuilding days. I was a personal trainer for about 14 years. I don't know how many of you know that. Health coach for some of it. And for my supplements and my protein powders and all that kind of thing, I started ordering from Vitacost because I could save some money and get good quality products. And then over time, I started discovering I could get different grocery type items and all sorts of things. So some unique things, some of our supplements. And I thought I would just do an unboxing this month with you folks so you can see some of the types of things you can get. I do not make anything off of this unboxing. Vitacost does not know I'm doing it, but this is just to benefit my viewers. Let me know what you think. If you don't like this, don't unsubscribe. Just tell me that you don't find this valuable, but I thought some things about more practical sense lifestyle might be a good thing to unbox. Okie doke. So I'm gonna use my skizzers to open the box. This is a little bigger than I anticipated. I'm trying to remember what I ordered actually. And I can normally open this with my hands, but I thought it might be less noisy. So when you open it up, everything's really well protected. Can you see down in the box there? And there is my invoice. And I always check everything off my invoice as I unbox, because a time or two, they haven't included something, and sometimes they've included something I didn't order, although that really only happened during the pandemic. So there's a lot of empty space in this box. All right, what have we got here? So I don't know how many of you know that I also have a sourdough bread scoring channel. So this is dark rye flour for making different types of bread. I've got lightly salted rice cakes. This is rolled oats, old-fashioned rolled oats by Bob's Red Mill. This is collagen. I take collagen daily. I actually take a lot of supplements daily. I always replace a bottle as soon as I get into the one that I have in reserve. And then when that happens, I write down to order a new one. So I always have an extra so I never run out of anything. But I do take collagen daily. One of many. I think that's the only supplement I have in this order. Oh, this is, I think this is spelt flour, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's einkorn, but it's a different type of whole wheat than regular whole wheat. Nutritional yeast. I sprinkle this on my popcorn, and sometimes I'll put it in omelets and things. It has a little bit of a cheesy flavor and has some extra nutrients in it. Spelt flour. I'd said that wrong. This is also for my bread making. Oh, popcorn. I try to avoid wheat, even though I score sourdough all I can. It tends to send me off on a bender when it comes to eating. So popcorn is a whole grain I can eat, and it doesn't make me crazy. This is a natural peanut butter. I pour most of the oil off and then stir it down, stir what's left down in there to help make it a little bit lower fat. And the last two things in the box are a pomegranate lip balm by Soothing Touch. And the reason why these went in is because I had one in and I needed like $1.17 to get up to $49 so I could get the free shipping. So I just added another in. I go through a lot of lip balm, so that was an easy add. And it saved like $6 or $7 in shipping. So here's a tip. When you go to Vitacost and you put everything in your cart, let it sit there. And the next day or two, as long as you logged in, you want to, log in with them and make sure that you're a registered user. they will send you an email and say, we will give you 10% off to finish your order. So I always do that unless they've sent me a coupon code via email. Like on this order, I got 14% off of everything. Sometimes they'll do 50% off of supplements, 25% off of food, all sorts of interesting things and ways you can save. But I have found that for quality products, this does save me money off of what I would pay in the store. And a lot of times I can get things that I can't find locally in the store, like the spelt and einkorn flours. So if you found this interesting, please let me know. I can do it, like I said, another month when I've got supplements or something else, and that might help you to kind of see some of the different supplements I use, my protein powder, that kind of thing. But let me know what you think. Thank you for unboxing my VitaCost with me. I hope you have a great one. If you could take just a second, hit the like button, comments down below would be so appreciated. And if you have not subscribed and you would like to, and you find any kind of unboxing, mostly fashion, valuable, I would just love it if you would subscribe. It just makes my day. Thanks a bunch for spending a little bit of time with me. Bye-bye, and be blessed. I'm gonna get that rope. I'm gonna get your rope. I'm gonna get that rope.